Hello everyone, how to dots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create flashcard using AI from your study materials. So this website is really cool, LoveStudy.ai. So you can enter any browser, then you'll get the website like this. Okay, so like flashcard, I'm just going to click create flashcard. So you can create quiz, notes, rest of the things you can try another things, and I created how to create quiz and notes. You can check out my recent videos. I'm just going to click flashcard, and before that, in this website, if you don't create your account, then you will get 15 free coins, free credits, and if you create your account, then you will get 30 credits. You just log in with your Google, then you will get 30 credits, and after that it will be finished. You can buy pricing here, you can see, but it's really nice. And okay, I'm just going to click flashcards, then create flashcard. So I don't have any material, so that's why I'm just going to taking help from ChatGPT. For example, I created something here you can create, so I just copy it. I just copy this one and go to my PC and text, paste it here, and okay, so I'm going to okay, so now I'm going to bring that one things. Okay, and here you can see, like, you have to output language. So this is English, so I just give the English, and there are more Germanese, Japanese, French available language. Keep English, and it will be visible for everyone in free mode. So this is a flashcard. Okay, I'm just click flashcard, and this will consume to credit. Okay, I have 30. Simply click the create. So it takes few time generating flashcard, so you have to wait to get the idea from that study materials. So before that, I can tell you something, like this website supported text version, PDF version, and Microsoft Word documents. So you can copy that contents from your books or internet, then you have to upload that here, and you can create here flashcard. So it's ready to fast. Total flashcard 10. Before you start, review each flashcard carefully and try to recall the answer before flipping. Use the study status to track your progress and focus on difficult card. Take breaks between session to improve retention and avoid fatigue. Start learning and view all flashcard. So I'm just going to choose view all flashcard. Here you can see all the flashcard is here. So they just summarize your contents and give the flashcard, and if you start learning, then you can go here. Question: what is the setting of roadmap between us? So you can see here, reviewing or understand. You can give here understand, and you will get the next one, reviewing. So understand. So this way actually 10 here. This way you can create the flashcard on Live Study. So if you want to share it with your friend, then you can share it here. Click here, then copy to clipboard. Then now you can paste it and paste it and social media or to your friend. And if you want to get this thing later, then you can get it here. Like you can see, I created quiz and flashcard. This is flashcard and 3 quiz. Click here and you can delete it, or you can share it to your friend. So you can see, so this way you can create things.